Hey YouTube, I'm doing my first construction review on the Lego City Construction Worker. You get a figure, which is construction worker. He has orange pants and my usual construction vest. There's a pen in his pocket, a blue shirt and two pockets. And a frustrated face there. And a red helmet. And then it comes with 4 of these concrete pieces. I had some more, so I just put them on there. Just that little piece, same brown colour. Then you have the concrete mixer itself. It has a little handle in it. Turn it, it moves the whole drum. Handles. Little handles. He can hold on to like that. Easy. Just hold on. His wheels, the drum can move. With the wheel turning, it moves the drum. Just turning the wheel, you can just move the drum. And yeah, it's just one of the little sets, and I got it for free. And yeah, and it's just a pretty cool set. I give this set 8 out of 10, because I could add more figures and a little loader or something in it. But anyway, it's a good set. Thank you and goodbye. And please post, comment, and subscribe.